Welcome to Trader Wall. In this video, we'll be diving into one of the most important tools for every crypto investor: wallets. From secure cold wallets to versatile hot wallets and convenient exchange wallets, we'll explore the best options available to store and manage your digital assets. Whether you're a long-term holder or an active trader, this guide will help you find the perfect wallet to match your needs. Let's get started. Introduction to crypto wallets. Cryptocurrency wallets are essential tools for securely storing and managing digital assets. They come in various forms, from hardware devices to mobile apps, each designed to meet specific needs. Choosing the right wallet depends on factors like the type of assets you hold, your trading habits, and your security priorities. In this video, we'll explore some of the best crypto wallets available today, highlighting their features, strengths, and ideal use cases to help you make an informed decision. Popular cold wallets. Cold wallets, or hardware wallets, are considered the safest option for long-term storage. They keep your private keys offline, making them resistant to hacking attempts. Ledger Nano X and Ledger Nano S Plus. Ledger wallets are industry leaders in hardware security. The Nano X features Bluetooth connectivity, making it convenient for mobile users, while the Nano S Plus offers a more affordable option with USB connectivity. Both support over 5,000 cryptocurrencies, have a robust security chip, and integrate seamlessly with the Ledger Live app for asset management. Trezor Model T and Trezor One. Trezor wallets prioritize security with advanced features like Shamir backup and a passphrase option. The Model T boasts a full-color touchscreen, making it user-friendly, while the Trezor One is a budget-friendly alternative. Both support a wide range of cryptocurrencies and provide integration with third-party platforms like MetaMask. SafePal S1. A rising star in the cold wallet market, SafePal S1 offers excellent security features like self-destruct mechanisms and multi-currency support. Its QR code-based transactions eliminate the need for USB or Bluetooth connectivity, enhancing its security profile. Ellipal Titan. Known for being entirely air-gapped, the Ellipal Titan ensures your private keys never connect to a network. Its tamper-proof design and compatibility with multiple cryptocurrencies make it an excellent choice for maximum security. Cold wallets are ideal for long-term investors who prioritize security and hold significant crypto portfolios. Popular hot wallets. Hot wallets are software-based wallets that provide quick access to your funds. They're great for frequent transactions and ease of use, though they may be more vulnerable to online threats. Trust Wallet. Owned by Binance, Trust Wallet is one of the most versatile mobile wallets available. It supports over 4.5 million assets across multiple blockchains and has a built-in decentralized app, DApp, browser. Its user-friendly interface makes it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced users alike. Coinomi. A pioneer in multi-asset support, Coinomi provides wallet services for over 1,700 cryptocurrencies. It emphasizes user privacy with no KYC requirements and integrates with Shapeshift and Changely for instant asset swaps. MetaMask. Primarily known for Ethereum and ERC20 tokens, MetaMask is a browser extension and mobile app that serves as a gateway to the decentralized web. It's widely used in DeFi platforms, NFT marketplaces, and blockchain games. Exodus. Renowned for its sleek design and user-friendly interface, Exodus is a multi-platform wallet available on desktop and mobile. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and includes built-in portfolio tracking and a swap feature. Atomic Wallet. This non-custodial wallet emphasizes decentralization and security. With support for staking, Atomic Wallet allows users to earn rewards on certain cryptocurrencies directly within the app. Hot wallets are perfect for traders and everyday crypto users who value convenience. Best exchange wallets. Exchange wallets are custodial wallets provided by cryptocurrency trading platforms. They offer seamless integration with trading services, making them a popular choice for active traders. Binance Wallet. As part of the Binance ecosystem, this wallet provides a secure and user-friendly experience. It integrates with Binance's exchange, allowing users to trade, store, and manage assets without leaving the platform. Coinbase Wallet. Separate from the Coinbase exchange account, This wallet offers non-custodial services for storing and managing your crypto. It supports various tokens, including Ethereum-based Assay, and provides easy access to decentralized applications. Kraken Wallet. Kraken offers a custodial wallet solution with a reputation for strong security measures. While primarily designed for exchange use, it's a reliable option for users who prioritize safety. BitGo Wallet. Targeting institutional and advanced users, BitGo provides multi-signature wallets with high security standards. It's widely used for businesses managing large amounts of cryptocurrency. Exchange wallets are best suited for active traders who need quick access to their assets. However, for long-term storage, transferring funds to a dedicated cold or hot wallet is recommended. Conclusion and recommendations. Crypto wallets are the cornerstone of managing your digital assets, whether you're a trader, investor, or crypto enthusiast. Cold wallets like Ledger and Trezor provide unmatched security for long-term storage, while hot wallets like Trust Wallet and Exodus offer convenience for daily transactions. Exchange wallets, such as those from Binance and Coinbase, simplify trading but should be used with caution for storage. Ultimately, the best wallet depends on your specific needs. If you're holding crypto for the long term, a cold wallet is essential. For frequent transactions or exploring the DeFi space, a reliable hot wallet is your best bet. That wraps up our deep dive into the best crypto wallets. Whether you choose a secure cold wallet for long-term storage or a user-friendly hot wallet for daily transactions, always prioritize security and usability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future updates. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. As always, happy trading!